All right, we have one more pitcher for this round. Please welcome Paul from tagSpace.
Hey everyone, lovely to be here. I'm going to start by talking about maps. That's right, maps. Amazing things, right? They've been around forever, get you from A to B, maybe let you find new places along the way. Maps are awesome, except when they're not. Can you think about any of the times when even the mighty Google Maps hasn't helped you? Perhaps you're at a music festival, you'd possibly had more than 1 or 2 drinks, and you're busting for the washroom. And then you're trying to find the nearest exit, but you're stuck in a huge crowd, can't find it. These are experience killers. Now picture this instead. Using the power of augmented reality, you hold up your phone and you find all the places where you need to go right in front of your eyes. And not only that, but live information such as queue times and show times right overlaid where they're going to be happening. These are the experiences already enabled for hundreds of thousands of event goers thanks to their new friends, tagSpace. I'm Paul Martin, tagSpace's CEO and founder, and our B2B platform enables experiences like these for companies in less than 1 hour. And what's more, not a single line of code is required. Here's how it works. Content creators log into our authoring portal. They drag and drop pins onto the map for each key location around their event space. For each pin, they add descriptive text, upload images, videos, and even 3D interactive content. Once they're done, they receive a publishing URL which they can use to integrate into any existing app trivially, or just distribute via their usual social marketing channels. End users then gain access via our app plugin, which is called Discover. They experience all of this views right through an augmented camera, and then can capture and share their favorite moments straight to social media. Our business model is predominantly SaaS, but with a twist. We also charge commission from in-app product placement. We're selling virtual real estate. And tagSpace, of course, isn't just for the $74 billion large events industry. We've also gone to market with powering city experiences and retail. And from there, we're growing into smart cities and also corporate events. And on that, I'd be a shocking CEO if I didn't take this opportunity to point out that you already have tagSpace right in your pocket. That's right, Web Summit's first ever AR-powered navigation experience is brought to you by tagSpace, and you'll find us right there within the app. Our experiences and our successes to date are testament to our incredible team. And we're not just a bunch of technology geeks, we're all serial entrepreneurs with multiple exits, including mine, a former video games company that generated over $100 million in revenue. We've enjoyed significant traction since our launch in Europe on the back of Techstars Lisbon. And if you'd like to catch up, learn more about our traction, take a Kickstarter on the product, love to see you. But do me a favor, ditch the map and instead look for the giant tag above my head. Thank you.
Wonderful job, Paul. Judges, you have questions about tagSpace?
What's next? Like, where does the company go from here?
So we're already starting to dip our toes into smart cities. In fact, we hope to close our first smart cities deal this week. Because broadly, and our challenge as a startup has been that we can almost power every sector. So just getting the blinkers on and finding that right narrow focus has really taken us a little while to get to. Broadly, anywhere where there is information associated with a location in the real world, we can make that visualization experience way more efficient. So for powering smart cities, we can put data even showing what the current burn time is of an individual light bulb through to powering tourism. So many different layers of information, all that have location context. So smart cities and then corporate events, which is partly what we're doing here.
So tell me a little bit more about the technology as well. So you only need a geotag in order to make this work, right? That's what I understood.
That's right. It's a completely code-free solution, and it works purely based on location. We've got 20-man development years just under the hood. We've got 4 patents published, 2 about to get granted, and we cover everything to track down to millimeter precision on a mobile device.
What can you learn from your biggest competitors?
Well, our biggest competitors are kind of fragmented, so probably out there anywhere between Wikitude, Google to a tiny extent. They've now switched on AR navigation, for example. What we're finding is UI and UX is king. You'll probably see how Snapchat, very started piecemeal introducing AR to the masses. First off with the stickers, now they're letting people create their own. This is what we found very early on as well. You can't just give people the power to build AR experiences. There's a bit of a learning process there. So that's our number one, and we've been following suit as well.
Have you had any success on the virtual advertising space part of this yet?
Yeah, that's right. In fact, we've now got 2 partnership agreements. One right here with a company called Fever. They've got over 2 million active weekly users in Lisbon alone. And we're just about to start generating click-through revenues. So we clip the ticket on any activations that are made. Of course, with tagSpace, we have a really powerful drive-to-location mechanism. So once we get people there, we've got very high conversion rates. And in fact, for things like music festivals, we're even getting 36% conversion from discovery to actually activating.
Brilliant. Thank you, Paul.
Thanks, everyone.
Beautiful product.